Welcome back to the channel. Before we dive in, I've got something important to tell you. This video contains some powerful insights that might just change your life, so stick around till the end. Trust me, you won't want to miss a single second of what I'm about to share. Today, we're tackling a topic that many of you have been asking about: how to make someone who doesn't value you become completely obsessed with you. Now, I know what you're thinking, is that even possible? Well, my friends, not only is it possible, but I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. But here's the thing, this isn't about manipulation or playing games. It's about becoming the best version of yourself and naturally drawing people towards you. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets of becoming irresistible? Let's get started. The power of self-worth. Before we dive into the strategies, let's talk about something crucial: self-worth. The ancient Stoic philosopher Epictetus once said, "No man is free who is not master of himself." This quote perfectly captures the essence of what we're about to discuss. You see, the key to making someone obsessed with you isn't about changing them, it's about changing yourself. When you truly value yourself, others will naturally be drawn to you. It's like a magnetic force that pulls people in. But here's the hard truth: if you don't value yourself, why should anyone else? This is where our journey begins. Step 1. Cultivate self-love. The first step in our transformation is to cultivate self-love. This isn't about being narcissistic or arrogant. It's about recognizing your worth and treating yourself with the respect you deserve. Start by listing your positive qualities. What are you good at? What do people compliment you on? Write these down and read them daily. This practice might feel awkward at first, but stick with it. As Marcus Aurelius, another Stoic philosopher, said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." Realize this, and you will find strength. Next, start treating yourself the way you want others to treat you. Take yourself out on dates. Buy yourself flowers. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. When you start valuing yourself, you set the standard for how others should value you. Step 2. Develop a passionate life. Now, let's talk about passion. People are naturally drawn to those who are passionate about life. When you're excited about your own pursuits, you become magnetic. Find something you're truly passionate about and dive in head first. It could be a hobby, a career goal, or a cause you believe in. The key is to immerse yourself in it fully. Seneca, yet another wise Stoic, said, "If one does not know to which port one is sailing, no wind is favorable." Find your port, your purpose, and pursue it relentlessly. This passion will make you glow from within, and trust me, people will notice. Step 3. Master the art of confidence. Confidence is sexy. There's no two ways about it. But here's the thing: confidence isn't about being the loudest in the room or always being right. True confidence comes from self-acceptance and self-assurance. Start by working on your body language. Stand tall, make eye contact, and smile. These small changes can make a huge difference in how people perceive you. Next, challenge yourself regularly. Step out of your comfort zone. Each time you face a fear or overcome a challenge, your confidence will grow. Remember, as Epictetus said, it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. Step 4. Become a master of communication. Communication is the bridge between people. To make someone obsessed with you, you need to become a master of this art. First, learn to listen actively. Really pay attention when others speak. Ask thoughtful questions. Show genuine interest. This makes people feel valued and understood. Second, learn to express yourself clearly and authentically. Share your thoughts, feelings, and experiences openly. Vulnerability, when balanced with confidence, is incredibly attractive. Lastly, learn the power of silence. As Zeno of Citium, the founder of Stoicism, said, "We have 2 ears and 1 mouth, so we should listen more than we say." Sometimes, saying nothing is more powerful than speaking. Step 5. Cultivate mystery. While open communication is important, so is maintaining a bit of mystery. People are naturally curious, and a little enigma can be incredibly alluring. Don't reveal everything about yourself at once. Keep some stories for later. Let people wonder about you. This creates intrigue and keeps them coming back for more. But remember, this isn't about being deceptive. It's about slowly unfolding the layers of your personality like chapters in a fascinating book. Step 6. Practice emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand and manage your own emotions, as well as recognize and influence the emotions of others. This skill is crucial in making deep, meaningful connections. Start by working on self-awareness. Understand your own emotions, triggers, and reactions. Then, practice empathy. Try to see things from others' perspectives. As Marcus Aurelius wisely said, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. When you can manage your emotions and connect with others on an emotional level, you become incredibly attractive. Step 7. Become independent. Independence is incredibly attractive. When you're self-sufficient and have a fulfilling life of your own, you become more desirable. Focus on building your own life. Pursue your goals, maintain your friendships, and enjoy your hobbies. Don't make your happiness dependent on anyone else. Epictetus once said, "He is a wise man who does not grieve for the things which he has not, but rejoices for those which he has." Embrace this philosophy. Be content with your life as it is, while still striving for growth. Step 8. Master the art of giving and receiving. Generosity is a powerful attractor. But it's not just about material gifts. Be generous with your time, your attention, and your kindness. However, it's equally important to learn how to receive. Accept compliments graciously. Allow others to do things for you. This creates a balance in the relationship and allows the other person to feel valued as well. As Seneca said, we should give as we would receive, cheerfully, quickly, and without hesitation. For there is no grace in a benefit that sticks to the fingers. Step 9. Maintain high standards. Having high standards for yourself and others is crucial. It shows that you value quality in all aspects of life. Set clear boundaries and stick to them. Don't tolerate disrespect or poor treatment. When you have high standards, you naturally filter out those who don't meet them, leaving room for those who do. Remember, as Epictetus said, it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. Your reaction to how others treat you sets the tone for all your relationships. Step 10. Cultivate growth and improvement. Never stop growing. Continuous self-improvement is incredibly attractive. It shows ambition, dedication, and a zest for life. Read books, learn new skills, travel, and expose yourself to new experiences. This not only makes you more interesting but also more confident and well-rounded. Marcus Aurelius advised, "You should take care of yourself as a gardener takes care of a plant. Nurture your mind, body, and spirit. The results will be evident to all who encounter you." Now, let's bring all these steps together. By valuing yourself, pursuing your passions, developing confidence, mastering communication, maintaining mystery, practicing emotional intelligence, fostering independence, mastering give and take, maintaining high standards, and continuously growing, you become an irresistible force. Remember, the goal isn't to manipulate someone into obsessing over you. It's about becoming the best version of yourself, someone so magnetic and inspiring that others can't help but be drawn to you. As you apply these principles, you'll likely find that the person who didn't value you before starts to take notice. But here's the beautiful irony: by the time they do, you might realize you no longer need their validation. You see, this journey isn't really about making someone else obsessed with you. It's about falling in love with yourself and your life. When you do that, you become truly irresistible. So there you have it, folks. The secret to making someone obsessed with you is really about becoming the best version of yourself. It's a journey of self-discovery, growth, and empowerment. Remember, as Epictetus said, first say to yourself what you would be, and then do what you have to do. Decide who you want to be, then take action to become that person. I hope this video has given you valuable insights and actionable steps to transform your life. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need to hear this message. And hey, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on more life-changing content like this. Thank you for watching, and remember, the most important relationship you'll ever have is the one with yourself. Nurture it and watch how it transforms all your other relationships. Until next time, keep growing, keep glowing, and keep being amazing. Peace out.